Hi, this is Will Cook with the Will Cook Group. Welcome back to my video blog. Today we're going to talk about the 5 biggest regrets that homeowners have once they've listed their home for sale. Selling your home is a big decision. It takes preparation, care, and lots of coordination. Here are the 5 biggest regrets we have found sellers encounter once they decide to list their home for sale. The first regret we found that sellers have once listing their home is overpricing. Setting the initial listing price too high can deter potential buyers and lead to a much longer time on the market. The second regret is neglecting repairs and maintenance. Failing to address necessary repairs and maintenance issues before listing can, in the buyer's eyes, decrease the perceived value of the home and lead to much lower offers. The third regret we found sellers have once they list their house is inadequate staging. Not properly staging the home can make it less appealing to buyers. And effective staging can help create a more inviting atmosphere and bring scale to rooms. The fourth regret that we find sellers have is poor marketing. Inadequate marketing efforts can limit the exposure of the property to potential buyers. Comprehensive marketing, which includes professional photography and online listing to all the major portals, is crucial. And the fifth regret we've found sellers have when listing their home is rushing the sale. Feeling pressured to sell quickly can lead to accepting lower offers or unfavorable terms. It's important to be patient and wait for the right buyer and the right offer. If you're in the market to sell your home, we'd love to have a conversation with you about your unique situation, in hopes that you will have no regrets in calling us. Please feel free to reach out, call us, text, or email, and we'd love to have a conversation. Also, if you have any other real estate related topics or questions that I can answer, feel free to reach out with those as well. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.